When it came time for Anabela to come along, we shortly found out that she had quite a few serious health problems. The first being that her lower esophagus opened into her airway, and that was her first life-saving surgery. Since then, we've really just found out she's got a bit of a laundry list of other conditions happening. Anabela spends so much time in hospital. Anytime she can get to go and visit the express room, she's always there. Just the light on her face when she sees the captains is just amazing. I get the biggest smile when they come in. It's just great because I just see on her how happy she is, and it's just beautiful. It really is. When Anabela got the opportunity to have a Starlight wish, a cubby house, a den was just number one. She talks about it every single day. Mum, when are we going to get my cubby house? When is it coming? Can't wait to see the finished product. To have this wish is just so much for her because now we're not spending so much time in hospital. She's got a backyard. We never had a backyard before. Not one that she could go out whenever she wanted to play.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Without your help, these guys wouldn't be able to bring joy, laughter, light, happiness, prizes, and just some normality into a pretty scary place. The thing I'm looking forward to most about this wish is just the joy it's going to bring Anabela on a daily basis.
Thank you, Starlight, for my amazing cubby house. I really like it.